My dear friends in Jesus Christ, this is the world that running after man gods and fake yoga siddhas. But when people come to know the real face of those fake Bhagavans, they go to another one. Because people look for an authentic personality and a man who can give the solutions for their needs. Why people look for an authentic personality? Because they are the people who are worthy to trust and believe. They don't perform anything for their sake or show for show off. And the inner values and motivations are clear to everyone. As we come across in today's gospel, we see that the people who listen to Jesus Christ identify him as an authentic teacher. And it is proved by the miracle that Jesus performed there. Today's gospel narration has a clear Christological function because Jesus' identity, which was announced at the time of baptism by a voice from heaven, is cried out by a spirit here. And through this conflict with spirit, the evil spirit, Saint Mark also stresses that Jesus is a very strong person who has withstood Satan's attack. As I mentioned in the beginning, this underscores the authenticity of Jesus as the teacher. The listeners understand that Jesus' teachings are more powerful than scribes and even demonic powers. And also we can see that Jesus uses his power and authentic personality not to dominate over the people but to serve them. Dear fathers and my dear brothers, we are also called to do the same mission of Jesus Christ in today's world. But how do we continue it? We are the people who go for college studies, social services and pastoral ministries. And we have come across many kinds of people there. But do the people who approach us feel any authenticity in our words and deeds? Or do the people feel whether we chose this religious path to serve them? If the result is no, dear friends, let us reflect upon that. Why it happens? And also think during this time of meditation, how can I be a real successor of Jesus Christ in his mission in today's world by an authentic personality and serving mentality? Let's pray. Oh Lord, go ahead of me so that let the way of your mission become clear to me. Thank you.